Hi, everybody. I am here, sort of unplanned, unannounced, impromptu, but I just knew if I didn't take this opportunity to talk about this one thing that's right in front of me, that it would probably just go by. So I wanted to just pop in here, and I am, as some of you know, every day I am reading one verse of the Tao Te Ching, and today is verse 51, and I'm posting a little bit of it, a few lines, the lines that speak to me the most on my personal Facebook page, and I just wanted to share them with you today. There's 3 lines because they really speak to parenting. They can speak to a lot of other things, of course, but I just found them very resonant for parenting, so I wanted to come in here and share them with you. So I'm not going to read the entire verse. This is at the end of the verse, but so just to give you a little bit of framework here for Tao Te Ching, Tao is kind of the way, and Tao is sort of, it's not right or left, it's not up or down, it's not black or white, it's sort of the middle way, the indescribable middle way, not pulling, not pushing, no resistance. Okay, so that's Tao. And then Day is there's lots of different translations, virtue or integrity or moral power, force, energy. So those are the kind of translations there. So it talks about Tao bears them, day nurses them, events form them, energy completes them. It's talking about all the things in the whole world. And then down, it goes on, but then down toward the bottom, and just think about your kids with this. It says, bears them without owning them, helps them without coddling them, rears them without ruling them. And I just want to say a word here. So bears them without owning them. I think, none of us would say we feel like we own our children, right? Nobody would really say that. However, we do, especially when they're young. I mean, I don't know, but if you're anything like me, kind of like, okay, you're coming with me, and sometimes, we have to do that a lot of times, but it's sort of the energy that we do it with, not like de facto, you have no say, you have no, I don't need to consider you. Like, yes, I'm considering you, but yes, we have to do this thing. So the owning helps them without coddling them. Now, I know, some of us as parents will kind of get into we'll have the belief that, like, we're not doing a good job if our kid is facing a challenge, or we're not doing a good job if our kid is unhappy. And that's not true, but those are some of the false beliefs that some of us fall prey to. So helps them, but without coddling them, not doing for them what they can do for themselves, helping them to build their capabilities, not doing it for them. And then the last one I love the most, rears them without ruling them. And so that whole Tao concept that I talked about in the beginning, that whole, like almost like a razor's edge. I mean, it's not like that, but it's not ruling them, not telling them how they should be, not convincing them of something, but fostering the environment and encouraging the development of their abilities, whatever those abilities are, different abilities at 3, 6, 9, 14, 18, but that whole idea of rearing them without ruling them. And I really want to encourage each one of us to reflect on that. Like, how are we maybe unintentionally ruling our kids? And that's a strong word, and probably a lot of us are like, well, I'm not, or what have you, like just backing off from that word, and I get it. But I will say that, whenever we're trying to convince them, or whenever we are convinced, like, this is the only way, it's the right way, whatever I have to do to get them to do this, whether it's like read 15 minutes a day, I don't care if I have to pay you $1 to do it, I'm going to do whatever that is to do it. That's like ruling them, right? Because that's meting out the rewards and the punishment, like our praising, punishing, rewarding, bribing, threatening. All of those things are tools that we use when we're in like a vertical hierarchy, right? As opposed to coming to more of a horizontal collaboration. So I just wanted to leave you with that, because I got so excited when I read it today, and I was like, oh, like this is from Lao Tzu, like from 2,000 years ago. So really, really cool. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you sometime soon.